The homeowner tells me the lightning struck just above the utility room behind me, which sparked a fire. Within minutes, she was able to knock it down with buckets of water.
The lightning strike sounded like a gun going off. Didn't have time to be scared.
It was Monday afternoon when Carol Pence says she was rattled by a loud boom. Moments after the clap of thunder, she noticed smoke pouring from this utility closet.
It was pretty insistent upon burning all the dryer lint.
Without thinking twice, Pence grabbed a trash can from her bathroom, filled it with water, and tossed it on the flames.
It was better than nothing, and it was better than standing there doing nothing while it burned.
Moments later, the fire was out. Hearing the ruckus, neighbors called 911.
Everybody in the neighborhood and blocks away heard the lightning, so they thought they were coming to a humongous disaster, but they weren't.
While Pence was able to extinguish the flames this time, the Norman Fire Department has this warning.
Don't throw water on electrical fire. They make fire extinguishers that are ABC rated. Those could be used on a very small fire, but what we want you to do is get out and be safe.
Norman Fire Inspector Michael Rigsby says electricity is going to spark a hotter fire, so it's important to let the fire department handle those situations.
If there is a fire in your house, your smoke detector should warn you. You need to get out.
In Norman, Taylor Mitchell, Oklahoma's News 4.
Taylor, thank you. Pence says she is lucky everything damaged in the fire has been repaired.